Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can mute a contact on the iPhone to silence calls, messages and notifications from that person. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now apart from blocking them, you can simply just try to mute the incoming calls so that maybe they think you're not there or something. So you want to first open up your phone application. So open up the phone app, and then in the phone app, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel what I'm doing before. So in the phone app, so this is the phone app right here, we're going to tap on contacts, and in contacts you want to go down and select a contact that you want to mute. So let's say incoming call is the contact, and if you want to mute the notifications, well, what we can do is I'm going to tap on edit at the top, and then we go down, and then we're going to choose ringtone or text tone. So to mute or silence the text notifications, you choose text tone, and then you go down and you choose none. In the alert tones, you choose none, and also we don't want any vibration from that person, so we're going to tap on vibration, and then we choose none. So no vibrations and no sound from my text message. And then tap on done. Okay, as for the ringtone, you tap on the ringtone. This is for the incoming call, so you tap on ringtone, and then you go down and you need to select a ringtone that is silence. Now by default there is no silence ringtone on this iPhone 13 or the iPhone or any iPhone. Normally there is some kind of ringtone that make a sound. So what you can do is you can go to the tone store and you can try to look for a silence tone. So in here I have previously searched for a silence ringtone. It will cost you some dollars to purchase it. Otherwise you can create your own tone. I have another video which I show you how you can create a custom silent ringtone. So I have created one already before, and I call it IT Jungle's silence. So what we can do is we can choose that one, so that whenever someone calls, it will simply silent instead of making the sound. Now when you put it to last silence, your phone still vibrate. So what you want to do is go up and then tap on vibration, and then we want to go down and choose none, so that when that person call, the phone will not make any sound and it will also will not vibrate. Now don't forget to tap on the done button at the top to save the changes, and then tap on done again. Okay, so now we have set the ringtone to silent, and also the text tone, which is your text messages alert, to silent as well. Another thing that you can do is go swipe up and open up the text messaging app, and then you want to go down and open up your conversations with that person or with that contact. So let's say I'm going to choose some random contact right here, and let's say during this conversation you want to tap on this phone number at the top here, and then you can tap on high alert, so turn it on, and then tap on done, and basically that will mute that conversation that you have with that person previously, and you should see a mute icon on the side here. Or you can swipe across to unmute it, so you can swipe across to mute or unmute the conversations. And yeah, so if you still if you're in the midst of the conversations and they are still messaging you and the phone still alert, make sure that you go in here and turn on mute for that conversation. And that's it. So that's how you can mute incoming calls, text notifications, or any messages and notifications coming from that person, and basically it will silence them. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.